Hi guys! So papunta na kami sa munisipyo kasi papanoorin namin si Lars. Tapos yung mga kalaban ni Lars, si Justin Valenciano, tsaka nag-join sa Super si Reyna. So ito guys yung papanoorin namin. Search for Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019. Ayan, dyan kami pupunta. So andito na po kami sa munisipyo. Ayan. So manonood na po kami.
Ruho ng Bukawi, Bulacan. Wala po bang malakpakan dyan? Thank you so much. Work hard until you no longer have to introduce yourself. Good evening, everyone. Standing in front of your eyes is a fresh and indeed 21-year-old stunner, all the way from the fireworks capital of the Philippines, Bukawi, Bulacan. My name is Miss Lars Pacheco na nagsasabi, bakla, bading, o charing-charing. Ano man pong lain ang itawag niya sa amin, amin ang gabing ito at tagahanga lang po namin kayo. Thank you.
Single biggest issue the LGBTQ plus community faces, and how do you think it should be addressed? I repeat, as a trans woman, what for you is the single biggest issue the LGBTQ community faces, and how do you think it should be addressed?
Alright, thank you for the wonderful question. The question that was given to me is that what do I think is the single biggest issue that the LGBTQ community is facing nowadays. But you know what, ladies and gentlemen, it has been so cliche about discrimination. It is so normal that we faced a lot of discriminations, criticisms, and prejudiced people around us, and it's never easy. But you know what, ladies and gentlemen, aside from discrimination, aside from judgmental people around us, alam niyo po kung anong isang issue na hinaharap ng mga LGBT ngayon ay yung kaming mga kapwa bakla ang nagsisiraan pababa. Always remember, ladies and gentlemen, that we are all sisters here. We are all brothers, we are all sisters, and we should be in the circle of the LGBTQ community. We should be the ones who would lift each other up. We should be the ones who would motivate each other. Because always remember, ladies and gentlemen, kinukutya na tayo ng mga tao. Dinidiskrimina tayo ng mga tao sa paligid natin. At kung yung mga tao ngayon ay nakikita na tayong mga bakla ay nagsisiraan pababa, paano pa nila iisipin na tayo ay dapat nilang respetuhin? Always remember, ladies and gentlemen, tayo lang ang magkakakampi. At pag napatunayan natin sa mga tao sa paligid natin na tayo ay iisa, well then definitely, that is the very stepping stone that they would embrace us. They would love us, and most especially, RESPECT. They would respect us. Because I believe, ladies and gentlemen, always remember, as long as we stand on the same ground, we breathe the same air, and we see the same sky, we are all equal. Thank you. The second runner-up for Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019 is candidate number 12.
There we have it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 counts left.
first runner-up, Hiyas ng Pilipinas, will receive 5,000 pesos in cash, sponsored by Sir Ryan Tolding of Mary Hearts Construction. The first runner-up award will be awarded by Mr. Daniel Gray, to be assisted by former Mr. and Miss La Trinidad candidates.
So now, who's your bet for first runner-up placement? First runner-up, Hiyas ng Pilipinas, goes to candidate number 8.
Alright. Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019 Fiesta.
Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019 Fiesta will receive 10,000 pesos in cash, sponsored by the Honorable Romeo K. Salda, Municipal Mayor, to be awarded by Ms. Erica Joy Binatan, to be assisted by the former MMLT candidates.
And our Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019 Fiesta goes to
Candidate number
14.
candidate number 4.
Congratulations, candidate number 4.
Ay, can't wait to see. 10,000 din yan.
Alright, kalma lang kayo. And the number that we will announce will be automatically crowned as Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019. And then the other candidate will be crowned as Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019 Turismo.
Ayan, uulitin ko naman, we will be announcing Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019. So yung title po, yung pangalan ng magta-title, yung i-announce namin. Yung hindi may i-announce na name or the second name that we will announce is the Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019.
Turismo. Ayan, so I know you guys are excited. At the same time, pinagpapawisan at ang mga kamay-kamay po natin. And of course, we will announce the average. Ayan, para malaman ng lahat. With an average score of 96.80.
And of course, for our Hiyas ng Pilipinas Turismo, the average score is 93.60.
93.60. So a difference of 3 points.
Ang layo.
So are you guys excited?
Mahirap kumama.
Are you guys ready? So who will be crowned as Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019?
Hiyas ng Turismo 2019 will receive 15,000 pesos cash, sponsored by Dr. Melchor Di Glas, former mayor of Buyas, and will be awarded by Ms. Mayan Salda, to be assisted by the former Mr. and Ms. La Trinidad candidates. While for the Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019, she will receive 20,000 pesos in cash, sponsored by Honorable Belmer G. Ellis, CEO of Montañosa Productions, and owner of Flower Blooms, Grass and Flower Shop, as well as Punong Barangay of Bahong. The Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019 will be awarded by the CEO himself and Ms. Imelda Grupo, the chairperson of the members of the Board of Judges, to be assisted by the Mr. and Ms. La Trinidad former candidates.
So, who will be crowned as Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019?
Our Hiyas ng Pilipinas 2019 goes to number
Oh, ito na, sayaw sa
Tutuloy na bukas.
Okay, tuloy na natin to.
Alright, one more time. Arias ng Pilipinas 2019 goes to
number 5! So, unahin muna natin, crown the candidate number 14.
Guys, madilim pero ano, tapos na yung pageant. Ayan, mga may friends.
Dark po.
Oh, dark. Ayan. So, si Lars po ang nanalo, guys. Si Lars, tapos si Justin Valenciano, and then si Bets yung ano, nanalo. Oh, guys, nanalo po ang isang ano, taga Bulacan.
Yes.
Yes.
And not from Mountain Province.
Oo, hindi sa Mountain Province, hindi sa Trinidad, kundi sa Bulacan. And so, ngayon guys, maghihintay kami ng taxi, pero ihahatid ko pa muna ang pamangkin ko. Yan. Yan, magta-taxi muna siya. Then, kami, we will part ways. So guys, ganun palang ano, feeling pag makakita ka ng celebrity. So, prior sa pageant, maganda talaga yung itsura ni Lars. As in, para siyang manika. Kung ano yung kinaganda niya sa TV, mas maganda siya sa personal, guys. So, dito na po nagtatapos ang aking vlog, guys. Congratulations po kay Lars, tsaka yung mga contestants. So, guys, don't forget to subscribe my 2 channels kung nagustuhan niyo itong video na to. Yung The Star of Anthony, tsaka The Star of Anthony Vlogs. Okay, so, good night, everybody. Mwah!